11 o'clock at the
Yes.
Chinese
Yes.
store, right?
Oh, yes, yes, yes.